How to transfer from PayPal to Binance, and is it possible? Let's see. Actually, it's not possible, but we can find ways on how to use the same payment method or same bank account with what we use in PayPal and with Binance. So, step one, you have to make sure that your PayPal is linked to any bank account or card. So, if you're going to transfer, you just have to tap your bank and then click next, and then send the amount that you want to send to that specific bank account. You can review the amount here and then tap next. Once you tap next, it will be automatically added to your bank account. Step two, use Binance. You just have to go to credit and debit card here. Suppose that you're going to buy something or send something using Binance. All you have to do is to type that amount here. Step three, you just have to click continue and then click that specific bank account or card that you're going to use in order to transact this. Same with the card that you have used in your PayPal. So in that way, you're using the same bank account or same bank with your PayPal and your Binance. But when you say sending directly from PayPal to Binance, that's not possible. But using the same bank, same account with PayPal and Binance, for any transaction, that's possible. So again, you cannot send directly from PayPal to Binance, but you can transact using the same bank account that you use in PayPal and Binance. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.